What if everything you thought you knew about Earth was just the tip of the iceberg? Beneath the oceans, buried under centuries of rock, lies a hidden world of lost continents. Landmasses like Zealandia, Greater Adria, and Argo Land that challenge everything we believed about our planet's history. These aren't just scientific curiosities. They're pieces of a global puzzle that could rewrite the story of life itself. But here's the twist. The truth about these ancient continents isn't just surprising. It's downright mind-blowing. How did entire landmasses vanish without a trace? Why are some species and ecosystems tied to these forgotten worlds? And what does their discovery reveal about Earth's future as tectonic plates continue their eternal drift? This isn't a video about dry facts. It's a journey into the uncharted corners of geological history. If you're ready to uncover the strange truths that science has barely begun to unravel, you're in for an adventure. So, strap in, because this story will take you places you never imagined possible. Deep beneath the oceans and layers of Earth's crust, scientists have uncovered astonishing remnants of lost continents like Zealandia, Argo Land, and Greater Adria. These ancient landmasses, now submerged or buried, tell stories of Earth's dynamic geological history. With shifting tectonic plates, these continents once stood tall, shaping ecosystems and influencing global biodiversity in ways we're only beginning to understand. Their discovery rewrites the narrative of our planet's evolution. Take Zealandia, a submerged microcontinent near New Zealand, 94% hidden beneath the waves. Its ancient crust proves it was once part of a larger landmass, challenging how we define continents. Similarly, Greater Adria, which broke away from Pangaea, now rests fragmented beneath Europe, buried through the forces of subduction. These pieces of Earth's puzzle reveal how dramatically the planet has shifted over millions of years. But these discoveries aren't just about rocks. They hold keys to life itself. What unique species thrived on these lost lands? Could their existence explain patterns seen along the Wallace Line, where biodiversity changes drastically? From fossils to evolutionary clues, these hidden continents hint at ecosystems we've only scratched the surface of understanding. Earth, it seems, has been holding on to secrets all along. And what about the future? The same continental drift that once tore apart Pangaea is still at work today, paving the way for future supercontinents like Amasia. Every discovery deepens the mystery of Earth's ongoing transformation. What other secrets lie beneath our feet, waiting to reveal their role in this grand geological saga? Imagine a time when all of Earth's continents were fused into one colossal landmass called Pangaea. Over 200 million years ago, this supercontinent began to break apart, giving rise to the continents we know today. Through the forces of continental drift, massive tectonic plates shifted, creating oceans, mountains, and landscapes that would shape life itself. This slow yet relentless movement is a cornerstone of Earth's geological history. Among the fragments of Pangaea, Argo Land stands out as a key player. Around 100 million years ago, it separated from the supercontinent, splintering into smaller microcontinents. These fragments formed the foundation of modern landscapes, influencing ecosystems and biodiversity across the globe. It's incredible to think how these drifting continents set the stage for life as we know it. But why did Pangaea split? The answer lies in the restless activity beneath our feet. As tectonic plates collided and tore apart, they created pathways for oceans to form and species to evolve. These changes left a permanent mark on Earth's ecosystems, much like the Wallace Line, where the movement of continents influenced the division of species. The drift of continents is a reminder of nature's power to transform. What's even more fascinating is that this process hasn't stopped. The same forces that shattered Pangaea continue to reshape the planet today. Could the drifting continents one day form another supercontinent? Will we witness the rise of Amasia or Pangaea Ultima? These questions make it clear. The story of Earth's evolution is far from over. Hidden beneath the waves, Zealandia is a geological wonder, a microcontinent that spent centuries disguised by the Pacific Ocean. Though 94% submerged, its rocky crust holds undeniable evidence of its continental status. This discovery wasn't just a fluke. It rewrote our understanding of geological models and how continents can exist quietly beneath the surface. It's as if the Earth whispered, "There's more to me than meets the eye." Zealandia wasn't always underwater. Millions of years ago, it stood as a vibrant landmass, playing its part in Earth's geological history. As tectonic plates shifted, Zealandia sank below the waves, leaving only a scattering of islands, like New Zealand, as clues to its grandeur. These remnants reveal how continental drift shaped both landscapes and ecosystems over millennia. What makes Zealandia even more fascinating is its role in biodiversity. This ancient landmass may have once been a corridor for species migration or a cradle for unique ecosystems. Just like the Wallace Line divides species today, Zealandia's submergence may explain why certain plants and animals are found only in its surviving islands. Its story is a testament to how Earth's evolution impacts life on every level. And yet, Zealandia is just one piece of a much larger puzzle. If a submerged continent can hide in plain sight for so long, what else might be waiting to be discovered? As geologists continue to unravel these mysteries, the story of lost continents becomes even more captivating, drawing us closer to the unfolding saga of Earth's transformation. The Wallace Line is more than just an invisible boundary. It's a fascinating marker of how Earth's shifting tectonic plates shaped life itself. This imaginary line separates species in Southeast Asia, dividing ecosystems like no other. The unique biodiversity on either side reflects the dramatic effects of continental drift and the formation of microcontinents. It's as if nature was playing a grand experiment, crafting entirely different worlds just a stone's throw apart. These geological shifts weren't just about moving land. They changed the game for evolution. When ancient lost continents like Zealandia and Argo Land splintered away, they created isolated environments where species thrived in ways they never would have together. Imagine a time when dinosaurs roamed Pangaea, only to be split apart by subduction zones and oceanic divides, forcing them to adapt or disappear. Even human history feels the ripple effects of these shifts. Fossil records in Southeast Asia reveal ancient human species that evolved under these unique conditions, much like the remarkable ecosystems along the Wallace Line today. If you're curious about how this line transformed biodiversity, don't miss our dedicated video on the Wallace Line already available on the channel. It's a must-watch. And the story doesn't stop there. As tectonic plates continue their relentless shift, new ecosystems will emerge, rewriting the rules of biodiversity once again. What incredible discoveries lie ahead? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications to join us as we uncover more groundbreaking truths about Earth's hidden past and its incredible future. Earth's tectonic activity is far from slowing down. Over millions of years, the same forces of continental drift that tore apart Pangaea will likely bring the continents together again. Geologists predict the formation of future supercontinents like Amasia or Pangaea Ultima, where North America might merge with Asia or all landmasses could cluster around the equator. These changes won't just reshape geography. They'll revolutionize climates, ecosystems, and the very fabric of biodiversity. As continents drift, ocean currents and weather patterns will transform, creating new environments and challenges for species to adapt. Imagine deserts turning into lush rainforests or vice versa. Such shifts will demand incredible resilience from life on Earth. Just like the Wallace Line marks today's biodiversity boundaries, future ecosystems may be split or blended by entirely new land formations. These changes are a reminder of Earth's relentless ability to evolve. The forces driving these transformations lie in the power of subduction zones and the shifting tectonic plates beneath us. These invisible architects continue to sculpt the planet, slowly but surely. The emergence of microcontinents like Zealandia shows us that even the smallest shifts can have massive impacts over time. Earth's geological history is proof that what seems permanent is, in fact, fleeting. As we ponder the rise of a new supercontinent, the mysteries of Earth's evolution only grow deeper. What species will adapt to these new lands? How will humans thrive in a world so radically different from our own? The answers may lie in future discoveries, and in the incredible stories we'll continue exploring together. Think about it. You've just uncovered secrets of lost continents that most people don't even know exist. From the submerged wonders of Zealandia to the fragmented tales of Greater Adria, these discoveries aren't just history lessons. They're keys to understanding how Earth's past shapes its present and its future. Can you imagine how much more there is to learn about the mysteries still hidden beneath our feet? But here's the real question. Are you ready to join the ranks of those who seek out this hidden knowledge? Only a select few dive this deep into the Earth's story, uncovering the truths that set them apart as informed, curious, and forward-thinking. And with every video like this, you're taking one step closer to becoming part of that group. So, what will the next chapter reveal? Perhaps the Earth's next supercontinent, or another piece of the puzzle that connects biodiversity, ancient migrations, and future ecosystems. The only way to stay ahead of the curve is to keep exploring. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss another discovery that could change how you see the world.